Hi Laka, hi Prarthana. Doing a wonderful job. We are very proud of you. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy morning, my dear Amu. May this passion to teach inspire more of your students to join this most noble profession, the teaching profession. Dear Amu, happy Teachers Day to you and all the other teachers present here today. Thank you and good.
Happy Teachers Day, Bhavya.
Happy Teachers Day, Bhavya.
Happy Teachers Day, Bhavya.
Happy Teachers Day, Bhavya.
Happy
Teachers Day, Bhavya.
Hi Jansi, how are you doing? Happy Teachers Day.
Hello, surprise! Hi Malika, how are you? A bond is like no other. It's built on shared experiences, laughter, and even arguments, but always with unconditional love and support. She is my first friend and colleague, understanding me in ways no one else can. Our connection is a lifelong source of strength and comfort. All the best and happy Teachers Day to my sister Malika Datta. All the best from our lovely family. Bye-bye.
ಈ ದಿನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆಯಾಗಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯಾಗಿ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರಾಗಿ ತಾನು ಕಂಡ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು, ತಾನು ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಹಾದಿಯ ಅನುಭವದ ಹಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಚ್ಚುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಕನಸನ್ನು, ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನದ ಸೊಗಸಾದ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಆಕೆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ.
Hello everyone. I here's wishing my wife Jyoti Karthik a very happy Teachers Day, and to all the teachers at Prarthana World School a very happy Teachers Day. All the best. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, Mandara, and I wish you all the best in your future works.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಮಂದಾರ. ನಿನ್ನ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಶುಭಾಶಯ.
Happy Teachers Day, Nidhi.
Happy Teachers Day, Nidhi.
Hi Nidhi. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi, Happy Teachers Day.
Hey Nidhi. Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello, Renita ma'am. You're very, very happy Teachers Day. Hi, Pooja.
Hi Pooja. On the occasion of Teachers Day,
Happy Teachers Day to you and all the teachers out there. All the best.
all the best.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪೂಜಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಮತ್ತು ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ a very happy Teachers Day and wish you all the best of luck.
Hi everyone, my name is Manoj Madhavan. I am Priya's husband. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day, I congratulate. I take this opportunity to congratulate everyone. A great day.
Hi Rashmi, happy Teachers Day. You have been my teacher in my professional life.
I don't know. Happy Teachers Day to my amazing daughter.
Thanks Shima. Happy Teachers Day, my dear daughter.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಎಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುವವನು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗೂ ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರುವವನೇ ನಿಜವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ. ಇಂದು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 5 ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಂದು ನನ್ನ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಭಾಷೆಯಾದ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕನಾದ ಸುಮಲತಾ PC ಇವಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ನುಡಿ ನಮನಗಳು.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, Amma.
Amma, happy Teachers Day.
Good afternoon. Hi to each and every teachers or coaches, Prarthana World School. So this is regarding about some comments about this is Jyoti Purohit madam. Teachers have remarkable ability to teach and touch the hearts of their students.
Hi Grishma, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
To all the extraordinary mentors, teachers, and educators who light the path of knowledge, today we celebrate you. Here's to all the teachers who teach just not from the books but from the hearts. Happy Teachers' Day.